with the wing. Halos same lang madalas naman ang angle ng main wing tsaka angle ng buong aircraft. Etong CM wing, same din, kasi CM wing lang to. Etong sa CLH, hindi, kasi may sariling angle of attack yung ating tail wing. Tail wing. Okay? Kaya i-differentiate nyo pa siya with the main wing. Also, dun sa ating propeller term, yung ating engine, meron rin sariling angle of attack yun. So, hindi pwedeng ang gamitin lang, i-cancel natin yung D over DA. Magkakaroon tayo ng differentiation, partial derivative ng propeller angle kumpara sa main angle. Okay? Balik pala ako doon. Again, this is your basic without any AOA. Nakakuha tayo ng kinakuha natin yung neutral, Okay, this is your neutral position. At this point, kung nandito yung CG nyo, ang mangyayari again is yung CM natin ay magiging 0. Pero hindi nandito yung ating XCG. Tama, ang XCG natin ay nasa 9. Tapos ang bilangan nun is, baka malito. Kasi ganito ang X natin. Tapos ito ang nose, ito ang tail. So, kung ang CG natin ay nasa 9 feet, ang ating neutral point ay nandito, 12 feet. Which is essentially half. Kasi yun ang bilangan natin na half of the aircraft. So, tama na ahead yung ating CG. Which is, makikita nyo here, positive ang ating static margin. Which is true. Ahead nung CG. Okay? Ay ahead nung neutral point. Okay? So, etong 59, it goes over yung recommended natin mga static margin. Ibig sabihin neto, yung CG natin, too forward. But it does not mean na nose down automatically ang airplane natin. It is stable still on this axis. But, ang mahihirapan na tayo is when it comes sa control. Okay? Yung kailangan na force natin para ma-deflect yung elevator or para ma-pitch up yung ating aircraft, malaki. Okay? And you can also check yung stability neto pag kinuha niyo yung CM. Kasi like I said before, ano ang good na CM? Anong sign convention ng stable na CM? Negative. Okay, paki-remember yun na ang CM natin dapat negative to consider the body stable. Okay? So, dapat meron tayong negative pitching moment. Okay? You can check from this one if it's negative truly. Okay? Sige, check natin. Formula natin is, again, CM is equal to CL, W quantity X, CG minus X, AC, W. Cancelled ang moment sa fuselage, cancel ang moment sa wing. So, next will be negative NH, SH, SW, CLH, X, ACH, minus X, CG. Wala tayong thrust terms and propeller terms. So that's it. So substitute lahat ng values na makukuha nyo dyan. Substitute nyo yung nakuha natin mga values sa formula na yan to check if your pitching moment is truly negative. If it is negative, meaning you have positive pitching, may negative pitching moment ka, which is good for the aircraft. Okay? Yes, kailangan na negative yung ating coefficient of pitching moment para positive static longitudinal stability. Okay? Check natin yan. Ano yung mga, pwede naman natin estimate lang pang checking lang naman Ano yung CLW natin?
0.35.
Hindi ko makita. Oh my God. Ito.
Tataas po.
Ito. Okay, that's 0.35 multiplied by ang CG ko ay 9 feet over 6.09 minus, asan ang XCCW ko? 7 feet? Tama? 7 feet over 6.09 minus 0.9. This is 40 over 160. CLH ko ay, this one? Yes, 1.43. Tapos yung XACH ko is 18.9 over 6.09 minus 9 over 6.09. So let's check kung negative yan. 0.35. Ang pitching moment coefficient ko ay negative 0.41. Correct. So, meron tayong negative pitching moment at positive static margin. Ibig sabihin, ang aircraft natin ay no. How do you term it? Ito? Positively, longitudinally, may positive longitudinal static stability. Yaw. Okay? So again, balik tayo dito. With respect na tayo with angle of attack. So ang bago nating formula with respect to angle of attack is Cm alpha is equal to CL alpha wing, quantity, location, plus Cm alpha fuse plus Cm alpha wing with respect to angle of deflection plus the deflection minus tail efficiency factor multiplied by SH over SW, CL alpha H, location multiplied by partial derivative plus thrust term natin for the normal, yung contribution ng normal force ng ating propeller blade turning, and yung partial derivative ng alpha P over versus the alpha angle of attack ng buong wing. Okay? So, ayan yung ating formula again with respect to angle of attack. So, yung mga naka-underline na kulay pula dito, yan yung mga kailangan nyong hanapin to essentially solve for pitching moment coefficient with respect to angle of attack. Okay? So, we'll go over those one by one for today. Buburay ko na to. Pangit ang board. Kanino galing to?
Lalabas ko na.
Thank you.